Welcome to your channel, Slow English for You.
Charlie, can you help me with something? I am confused.
Of course, Chelsea. What happened?
Yesterday, my teacher asked me to talk about my day. I couldn't do it.
You couldn't talk about your day?
No, I only said I woke up, I ate, I slept.
Very simple, right?
Yes, very simple and boring.
But talking about the day is important.
Important? You mean useful?
Yes, very useful for conversation.
I want to learn. Can you help me?
Of course, I will tell you my day yesterday.
Your whole day?
Yes, from morning to night, step by step.
That's perfect.
You listen and ask questions.
Listen and ask.
Yes, and repeat the words too.
Repeat helps me learn.
That's right.
Morning.
Yesterday, I woke up early,
Early. What time?
at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock is early.
I washed my face and brushed my teeth.
Washed your face and brushed your teeth.
Then I took a shower.
Shower in the morning. Very good.
I put on my work clothes.
Work clothes. Shirt and pants?
Yes. Then I made coffee.
Coffee.
Yes, coffee, bread, and an apple.
Afternoon.
I worked until noon.
Worked until noon.
At lunch, I ate rice, chicken, and salad.
Rice, chicken, and salad. Healthy.
Then I went back to work.
Went back to work.
I had a meeting with the team.
Meeting. A talk about work.
Yes.
Night.
I left work at 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Did you take the bus?
Yes, the bus was full.
Many people.
I arrived home at 7 in the evening.
7 in the evening.
I made pasta for dinner.
Pasta. Tasty.
Then I read a book.
Read a book.
At 10 o'clock, I went to sleep.
Slept early.
Yes.
Charlie, I learned a lot today.
You learned about the day?
Yes, I learned how to talk about the whole day.
The whole day, from morning to night.
Yes, first the morning, wake up, brush teeth, take a shower.
Very good. The morning.
Then lunch and work in the afternoon.
Work and the meeting.
And at night, dinner, reading, sleep.
Exactly. The complete routine.
I understand I need to say actions and also details.
Actions and details. Very good.
Now I can practice every day.
That's right. Practice always.
Thank you, Charlie.
You're welcome, Chelsea. You will do it.